Hey there guys, my name is Kumar here. What's with me? Let's start this video without having any further delay. So basically this video is going to be routine of 2nd July 2025 and today is Wednesday. So basically in this video I'm going to see like what has actually happened in my throughout the whole days of routine video. So let's start. So today first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that today is going to be the last exam of my uh, you know of semester 2 first year. Basically the thing is that today is going to be the last exam of my semester 2 first year exam, right? Then after passing this exam I will going to the next year, that means second year of college, right? So yes guys, and then basically after that I studied, then after that I had taken the bath, then after that I wore clothes, right? Then after that I went to the examination center. Basically I reached the examination center before the time, right? So basically around 5 to 10 minutes I have to wait. Then after that the guard came and he you know on the locker on the classroom, he basically just from a key he opened the lock, and after that also some students were there, and after that I entered to the class, right, inside the class. Then after that I gave my exam, and right, so after that I came home, and after some time later, uh, you know after some time later, uh, I had done the rest, basically I had done the rest. Then after that I ate food. After some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what has actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So this is all guys what has actually happened. Now I am going to discuss the key terms, the relevant definition, right, which actually I have to discuss, right? So I'm taking a one notebook. Whichever definition I not understood clearly, I will write. There are 93 terms, so this will take lots of time, I know that. So I will write it here particularly. So I require pen for. So yes. So definition. Under section 2. So the first is abridged prospectus, means a memorandum containing such salient features of a prospectus as may be specified by the Securities and Exchange Boards by making regulations in this behalf. Means a memorandum containing such salient features of a prospectus as may be specified. I don't know so much thing about this, right? Abridged prospectus. Now, accounting standards. Accounting standards means the standards of accounting or any addendum thereto for companies or class of companies referred to in section 133. Section 133 of the Act deals with the central government to prescribe accounting standards. As per this section, the central government may prescribe the standards of accounting or any addendum thereto as recommended by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, constituted under Section 3 of the Chartered Accountants Act 1949, in consultation with and after examination of the recommendations made by the National Financial Reporting Authority. Section 133 is to be read with Rule 7 of the Companies Accounts Rules 2014. Accordingly, the standards of accounting as specified under the Companies Act 1956 shall be deemed to be the accounting standards are specified by the central government under Section 133 Till the National Financial Reporting Authority is constituted under Section 132 of the Act, the central government may prescribe the standards of accounting or any addendum thereto as recommended by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in consultation with and after examination of the recommendations made by the National Advisory Committee on Accounting Standards constituted under Section 210A of the Companies Act 1956. Further, in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 133, the central government, in consultation with the National Advisory Committee on Accounting Standards, prescribed the Companies Accounting Standards Rules 2006 and the Companies Indian Accounting Standards Rules 2015 may be followed. I understand some of these things here. Okay, now third is alter and alteration. Include the making of addition, omission and substitution to make any changes. Maybe I think so. Right. Now fifth, wait. Okay. Directly fourth, I don't know. Here is okay. Alter and alteration is 4 and the third and 4. Maybe I think so. Now fifth. Articles means the articles of association of a company as originally formed or as altered from time to time or applied in pursuance of any previous law or applied in pursuance of this act. Now auditing standard means the standards of auditing or any addendum thereto for companies or class of companies referred to in subsection 10 to section 143. Section 143 of the Companies Act 2013 deals with the powers and duties of auditors and auditing standards. Subsection 10 to section 143 provides that the central government may prescribe the standards of auditing or any addendum thereto as recommended by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, constituted under section 3 of the Chartered Accountant Act 1949 in consultation with and after examination of the recommendations made by the National Financial Reporting Authority, provided that until any auditing standards are notified, any standard or standards of auditing specified by the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India shall be deemed to be the auditing standard. Banking company. Banking company means a banking company as defined in clause C of section 5 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Okay, here is directly given the article that in the clause 5 of the section 5 of the Banking Regulation Act already defined. Board of Directors. In relation to a company means the collective body of the directors of the company is called the Board of Directors. All the directors in collectively is called the Board of Directors or board, right? Okay, now books and paper and books or paper. Okay, include books of account, deeds, vouchers, writing documents, minutes and registers maintained on paper or in electronic form as per the company's specification of definitions, details, rules 2014. E-form. Electronic form means a form in the electronic form as prescribed under the Act or the rules made thereunder and notified by the central government under the Act. Books of account includes records maintained in respect of all sums of money received and expended by a company and matters in relation to which the receipt and expenditure take place. All sales and purchase of goods and services by the company, the assets and liabilities of the company, and the items of cost as may be prescribed under section 148 in the case of a company which belong to any class of companies specified under that section. Section 148 of the Companies Act 2013 authorizes central government to specify auditing of items of cost in respect of certain companies. Okay. Branch office. In relation to a company means any establishment described as such by the company. Okay, so I think that, guys, it is all enough for today. So till 14 term I read today. So to the upcoming videos I would like to discuss the next term which was remaining till to the upcoming videos, right? So in this I written as abridged prospectus, which is I not understood, right? I would like to discuss about later. So yes guys, this is all what is actually happened right? So I think that guys, it is all enough for today, so I should end the video. So yes guys, this is all what is actually happened. So let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.